Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover photos from your Android phone. So if you accidentally deleted photos on your phone, family pictures, screenshots, or important memories, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple ways to recover photos from an Android phone step by step. So the first method, you can check the recycle bin. You can open your gallery app and find the trash or recently deleted. Okay, so in here I've already found my recently deleted album. So deleted photos stay here for 30 days. If you found your photos, you can just select them. For example, this one. And then here you can hit on restore. Okay, that's the first method. The second one, you can also recover from the Google Photos backup. So if your photos are not in the gallery trash, you can open the Google Photos in here. And in here, you can just go to the collection library and click on trash. So if backup was turned on, your photos might still be there. You can just select the photos and then you can hit on restore. And next photos, you can also restore photos from the Google backup. If you recently reset your phone, Google backup can help. So during the setup, you can just sign in with the same Google account and choose to restore photos and data from your backup. So this works best if the backup was enabled before the photos were deleted. And if none of the previous methods work, you can try recovery using a computer. You can connect your phone to a PC and use a trusted Android recovery tool. But keep in mind that this doesn't always work, especially or on the newer Android versions, but it's worth trying. And a very important tip, you need to stop using your phone immediately after deleting photos. New data can override deleted files and make recovery impossible. So the sooner you try, the better your chances. And that's it. If you're lucky, your photos should now be safely restored back to your Android phone. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.